Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the device ready. Back up everything because flashing wipes user data. Once done, enable developer options, toggle USB debugging, and OEM unlock so the bootloader can be opened. Make sure your PC has ADB and Fastboot installed. Connect the phone and verify with the DB devices. You want a stable USB cable and charged battery above 50% to avoid interruptions. This initial step prevents brick risks and prepares the phone to accept custom images. Next, you move into flashing. Identify the exact device codename and download the corresponding Pixel OS image. Reboot to bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader, then use Fastboot to flash partitions in the required order. Flash boot, system, vendor, and vendor boot, and update the VB meta if needed to disable verified boot for custom images. Make sure each Fastboot command returns success before continuing. If a step fails, stop and address the error, rather than repeating blindly. Finally, reboot into the new Pixel OS and patiently wait through the first boot setup because apps and optimizations run in the background. You should verify basic functions: Wi-Fi, sensors, telephony, and play services. If the system UI crashes or you hit boot loops, perform a factory reset from recovery or reflash the problematic partitions. One key troubleshooting tip: check the device codename and matching image. Mismatched firmware is the most common cause of persistent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.